विजयान आपली पार्टी काँग्रेसीक मर्ज करपा जाय आनी काँग्रेसीची लिडरशीप आपल्या हातांत घेवपा जाय जाल्यारच कित तरी फुडें जावपा शकता म्हण. हाऊ डू यू लुक एट?
See, this is also one school of thought of many people. I should lead and all that, but these are hypothetical situations.
But do you even feel promise in that idea?
See, there is promise in everything. We live in perpetual
philosophical answer.
We live in perpetual hope. Oppositionan जेन्ना आसता आनी चड करून जेन्ना तूं वन मेंबर पार्टी आहा, तूं गोंयचे खातीर तुजें विजन कितें असल्यो वस्तू उलयता, बुलंद आवाज म्हळ्यार कितें तरी विजन घेवन फुडें वता आनी तें विजनाक लोक सपोर्ट करतले आनी सगळे आमी एक जातले हो होप आसता. जें कितें मदीं येता इन्क्लुडींग द फॅक्ट दॅट यू इवन लूक एट युअर आयडेंटिटी बींग इरेज्ड. This suggestion of yours basically means that my identity is going to not exist. अशें पुसून means you have to have a wild realm of possibilities which you should consider. You should not throw anything in the dustbin. So I am willing to consider every possibility to see to it that we bring about change. Accepting that we have failed, we have to come together. In that, my role will not be selfish when thinking about unity. When thinking about getting everybody together to bring about a change in Goa.
मडगाव मतदारसंघात फातोर्डा मतदारसंघाबरोबर तुम्ही गोवा फॉरवर्डाच्या झेंड्या खाला म्युनिसिपालिटी इलेक्शन लढितले. थंय युती बिती काय ना.
फॉरवर्ड म्हणटा तें नाव आसतलेंच.
थंय काँग्रेसी बरोबर युती बिती काय ना.
ती युती बी म्हणटा ती पळय म्हाका फातोर्डान जर मतां घेवंक जाय जाल्यार हांवें ऑन माय ओन I have to be capable of getting the council in Madgaon municipality. ना जाल्यार फातोर्डा म्हाका मतां घेवपाक कुस्तार जातलें. अशें धरया की 11चे 11 पसून फातोर्डा हांव जिखलो जाल्यार कावन्सील म्हजें जातलें हाची गॅरंटी ना, कित्याक थंय 13 जाय. सो दुसरे कडेन म्हाका उबो रावचो पडटाच की हांव मडगांवान कॅन्डिडेट गोवा फॉरवर्ड म्हणून घालतलो.
सो थंय एक वॉट
कुर्तोरी ऑल्सो ऑल द 3 wards we will contest.
Is that a beginning of your entry into Margao for assembly?
Yes. You can take it as that or you can take it in any which way, but we are going to the people of Margao saying that we are exporting the Fatorda model, which goes by this development by consent, which goes by Mukhyamantriyachi Jan Bhagidari.